What's going on YouTube? Today I'm here with Christina and we will be shooting on the Sony a6300 with a Sigma 56mm f1.4 lens. It doesn't matter right now. I'm just gonna get like upper body shots. Come out to like probably the street level. I didn't even know you had a tattoo on your arm. There's a variety. Alright, come out to like right at the edge of the shadow. Like right before the sun gets in your face. Yeah, that's good. Yeah, perfect. Look at me. Yeah. Oh, your full body ones? Just move around. Just like pace in place. Hands on your hips, hands on your shoulders. Like, don't worry about posing. I'm just gonna keep snapping. Yeah, don't worry about posing. Like, don't even focus on the posing. Like, don't think about, okay, let me hit the pose or whatever. Just move natural. I'm gonna catch like natural movements and stuff like that. So they keep it real fresh and organic. So if you got to pace around, you wanna walk around, yeah. You don't have to walk slow, just, you know, just move around, yeah, stuff like that. Because if you try to force it, it's gonna look like you tried to do something. Stay like that. That's not close to the wall, just like right in the, like up here, like right here. So we try to keep a little separation between you and the background. Do something like with the bottom. Most of the pictures are like on the upper side, so like don't worry about getting anything wrong, like bad poses, whatever. You can take 1,000,000 pictures. I'll delete 1,000,000 pictures. It doesn't even matter. As long as we get like 2 or 3, we good. You got more than 2 or 3, but you know, nobody's gonna see the bad pictures. I've got the time to show my love and what it's all about. Fading up, fading down below the laser guns. I've got a heart. The first thing you want to do when you get to a new location is figure out your camera settings. And the only setting that I know for sure that I'm going to use is f1.4 for the aperture, but I don't know the shutter speed or the ISO yet. So when I get on the location that I want to be in, I check around and see what the lighting looks like. And I have enough sunlight, so now I have to raise my ISO. So my shutter speed right now is at 1/250, and once I shoot at the model, then I know if I need to raise it up or down a bit. It'll be there, but not there. Yeah, perfect. Matter of fact, you can stay facing that way and just like look back. Yeah. Yes. So stand like around the corner of this. Yeah. Look off into the distance over there. Yeah. Yeah. Do some hands up, hands down. Put like both your hands. Yeah. Keep looking that way. scoot over just a little bit, yeah. Keep coming, keep coming. All right, that's good. Now, put both hands on the hip. All right, perfect.
So dumb, I wish I could get you out of my head. So numb, doing all I can to move, but I can't. Oh no.
Stop at the L right here. The background's so blurry, I can't really tell what it is back there, so it doesn't matter that they're standing there. Come to the E. On this side. Yeah. I guess like lean over it. Yeah. Look through. Alright, you wanna try something sitting on the ledge right here? Like turn like that way, yeah, and lean like in towards the, yeah. Perfect.